Have you ever wanted to create your own songs but didn't know where to start? Or maybe you're worried about copyright issues? Well, today I'm introducing you to a game changer, Suno AI. This powerful tool lets you create original, copyright-free songs in minutes, even if you have zero music production experience. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to use Suno AI to unleash your creativity and make music that's 100% yours. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or aspiring artist, this is a tool you don't want to miss. Let's dive in.
I'll be explaining how Suno AI works, the type of music that it's actually used for, and I'll show you a little demonstration. So first, we'll go to Suno AI. All right, so this is the home page. Home is the home page. Then now I click on create. This is where you have to input your lyrics. If you have a lyrics, it's fine. But if you don't have a lyrics, you can make use of the help of Chatgpt. Chatgpt is there to help you out to get a good and unique lyrics. Just give it the perfect prompt. Then once you have put in the lyrics, you put in the style of music. You can't just put the lyrics without having the style of music. We have different style of music. We have jazz, we have classical, we have classical, we have nursery rhymes, we have drums. It gives different style of music. So depending on what you want, yeah, it gives option also. We have metal, we have rock, we have art pop, we have pop, so on and so forth. So once you're done, you put the title that you want and you just allow Suno to do its work. Here is library. This is library. Library actually gives you access to your saved music. If you actually get your music from your Create, you can just come here and just like add it to playlist. Then you can get then it will be stored here in library. So I'm going to do a little demonstration. So firstly, I'll start with the help of Chatgpt. So I'll tell Chatgpt here to give me that's what we have. Different type. We have kids songs, we have Christmas songs, we have gospel music, we have which other songs we can help me. We have different kind of songs, but let's work with kids song. At least you can get kids song. We have R&B, hip hop, but let's just tell Chatgpt to give us two unique kids songs. Let's do it like that. Two unique kids songs. Give me two unique kids song. All right, so it has. You can, if you have a better prompt, like I can give you, you can just do it. So now we have one here, the jungle animal dance. It has given us a chorus, a verse, a chorus, bridge. If you know you still want more, you don't want the lyrics to be this short, you can just tell ChatGPT to add extra verses, and which is going to do so. But let's just work with this because of time. So yeah, I'm having my chorus, I'm having my verse, I'm having my chorus again back. So you just copy your lyrics here. Ctrl C. Then you give it to Suno to do the work. So I'm imputing my lyrics here. I'm imputing my lyrics here. So now I go back to ChatGPT and tell it to give it. I chose the jungle animal dance. So you tell ChatGPT now to give you the best style of music. Give me the best style of music. Give me the best style of music for the the jungle animal dance. The jungle animal dance. Give me the best style of music for the jungle animal dance. So I send my response. I'm waiting for ChatGPT response. So it did already. So I'm having Afrobeat, tropical music, fast and playful tempo, Afrobeat often. So you can just choose one. Anyone you feel that, oh, it actually goes best. So let's try. It thinks it's a nursery rhyme. It's just for kids. Let's go with this Afrobeat and let's go with this Afrobeat. So you copy it. So you copy it and paste it with under the style of music. Then let's do it the jungle animal dance. Give it a title, a unique title, the jungle animal dance. Then you create. And Suno AI gives 50 credits for every day. You can actually pay for your subscription on Suno AI, but Suno AI gives 50 credits, and for one song it uses, I think, 10 credits to generate one song. So once it's working already, you're going to see it pop up at this my workplace. See, is it going? Version 1, 7, version 1. I don't think that's sense. Let's change the version setting. Okay, a great plan to get to make songs. So I don't know what's going on, but usually it works like that. Then another way.
I think. Sorry, hold on. I think your song is generating. Can you just check the workspace and be sure it's not there? Go to your workspace.
It's not there.
Can you?
Oh, okay.
Can you
okay. I've seen
search
it.
At the top.
Okay, I've seen it. It's up.
Okay.
Okay, I've seen it. All right. So it's already generating already. I think. Okay. I think one is done already. I think one is done here. So it's already generating already. All right. So let's wait for this to work out. Then let me show you another way. We have the instrumentals. Just click here, take it out. We have instrumental. If you don't want lyrics, just want to just give you some beats, some sounds. You can also touch Chatgpt to give you a style of music that works perfectly for you. If you want it to just be for R&B beats, for gospel beats, any kind of beat, Chatgpt is there to help you. So we can let's use the response that let's use this that we have here. Let's say use instrument like steel drum. Okay. Let's do this. Use instrument like steel drum and marbles. Okay. Or let's just tell Chatgpt to give us. Let's just tell Chatgpt to give us another style of music. Another style of music for, let's say, R&B. For R&B. That's rock and what's the meaning of rock and R&B? All right, R&B. All right, so it did already. So this is a smooth electric piano chord. So let's work with this. So now let's remove this. So I'm going to remove this and paste what I have before to create a groove. All right. So let's just give it instrumentals. Just title it as instrumentals. Then very easy. Just click on create and allow Suno do its work. All right. So the jungle animal. So this is the sound now that we have. This is what we have now. Let me just play it so we can all hear it. And the good part is that it does not give you just one kind. It gives you like two different options so you can make your choice. So this is another type. This is another one. see it saying one is faster, one is slower.
Stomp like an elephant, don't you stop. Swing like a monkey.
Alright, so we have another one here.
Jump like a kangaroo. Stomp like an elephant, don't you stop. Swing like a monkey. Ooh. Let's do the jungle dance.
So you can all get that it's actually nice. So depending on the kind of now your lyrics might be okay, but depending on the kind, your type of your style of music that you want. If you want it to just give it a slow, this just tell it to just put the style of music that you want. So that's all for AI. I just allow AI to do the music. So we're waiting for the instrument. Okay, let's listen to these instrumentals. So there you have it.
And that's it. With Suno AI, you can easily create unique copyright-free songs that perfectly match your vision. The possibilities are endless, whether you're making music for videos, ads, or personal projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips on leveraging AI tools, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What kind of music are you planning to create with Suno AI? Drop a comment below and let's chat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.